Hello, fellow travelers. I wanted to show you a hotel room at the Best Western Yacht Harbor here in San Diego, California. I know a lot of people that take cruises stay at this hotel because it's very convenient to the airport and to the port where you get on the boat. So we just actually got off one of the cruises and I want to show you the room. So when you come in the door here, the first thing you'll notice is right here you've got your vanity area. So there's a sink, a mirror, towels, you've got some coffee and all that good stuff. Here's your bathroom, which is separate from the little vanity area, which is nice. And it's got a tub in there. And if I look this way, I've got a small closet with spare pillows. I've got an ironing board. I've got some luggage racks and a little iron. So I've got everything I need to get started with the room here. And let's look this way back in the room. So I've got two queen beds, which are very nice. I've messed it up a little bit because I had to lay down and take a quick nap. So you can see I've got a chair here, which is great. I've got the TV and a microwave and a fridge, which is very nice to have, so we don't have to go out and spend a lot of money on food. We can just bring our own food, which is good. And you can also store your medicine in here if you need to. If I walk this way a little bit, I've got a nice desk and a telephone and an ice bucket, which is great to have. And then the rooms here have these little balconies, and this is a nice feature of these rooms. My room actually looks over the kind of the street and the parking lot, but some of the rooms look over the pool, which is nice. So we've got these little balconies and there's little chairs out here, and it's a nice place to sit in beautiful San Diego. So that's a quick tour of our room at the Best Western Yacht Harbor. On a scale of 1 to 5, I'd say this is a 4.5. We like staying here because it's very convenient to the airport, and it's also very convenient to restaurants, which are just across the street, and it's very convenient to the cruise terminal. So hope you enjoyed our video of the Best Western Yacht Harbor.